Grabing prutas si Yoyo, oh. May plum, may apple, may pear. Meron pa dito. Look, oh, ito yung pinakamalaking apple, guys, na nakita ko dito. Mas malaki pa sa apple namin. Yan, gagawa kami ng cake. Diba, ito yung normal size. Grabe yung laki, uy. Gilahi ni Habi yung mga daot or dili daot para hindi magtakod-takod. May apple pa dito. Ang dami, guys, oh. Sarap. Baka manghingi rin yung sister-in-law ko. Meron pa dito. Ito, gagawin namin tong apple pie.
She's angry because she come there to inspect.
So, guys, oh, yung, what is in English this, my love? That is gutoy. But in English?
I don't know.
You know?
This is a little damage, need to eat immediately.
But this is from yesterday.
I know, it's okay. It's mazarab this.
No.
Let for placenta.
Dita placenta.
This is from this tip from now?
Da.
From now? From there? They are good?
Da.
This?
Masarap.
Put here. This is very mazarab, need to eat.
Da.
All. And this is need to eat immediately because already damaged.
Yan, nilagay na niya yan sa basement. Da.
I bring in house, this need to eat immediately.
Bine.
And I bring something to put that placenta.
Ganito na yung grapes natin. Ayan. Tingnan nyo yung forest, guys, oh. Maganda tong bulaklak na to. Hindi pa rin namamatay. Pang autumn. Papatay na yan siya. Yan. Ito. Fresh na fresh yung bulaklak. Yung ibang bulaklak ko, patay na. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Wala na talaga. May dalawa akong ampalaya dito. May mga sitaw pa rin. Ayan. Kailangan tiluko ni sila. Yung cabbage ni Bianan. Daming butas-butas. Organic. Talaga yan, oh. Kumusta na mo diya? Jeez, kasweet sa mga bata. Bye-bye na, be. Bye-bye na.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Meet him.
In the deep.
If he says I want, he's not afraid. That is big. When I do like
Ready.
that.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. See you tomorrow.